Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very beautiful 90s Swatch watch, so chronograph watch. This one is from 1991. It is called Timeless Zone, reference number SCN104. It also has the original Swatch box, but unfortunately it has a broken end right here, but nonetheless very nice to have the original box with the watch. I'm going to take the lid off. Now you can see that the watch comes on this green leather watch strap, which is in very good condition. The watch features a chronograph function, so this is a 90s chronograph watch. As you can see, the watch is ticking in working condition. You can also use the chronograph function. You can start, stop, and then you can reset the chronograph function. The strap has a little bit of bend because it's set inside the box. Also, we have this Swatch support that stabilizes the watch, and I believe a few box and papers right here. So we have the Swatch booklet. We have, I believe, the papers from when it was purchased, maybe somewhere in Greece or something. And then we also have this Join the Swatch Club paper, which is really cool for those Swatch enthusiasts out there. So guys, this is a pretty nice and interesting piece that we have. We have this model plenty of times on our website. We have it with a blue leather strap. We also have some other Swatch chronograph watches with aftermarket straps, because the old ones sometimes cannot resist for 30 years. Already this is a very old watch, as I mentioned, from 1991. So guys, if you want to check the watch on our website, I have a link in the description below, vintageradar.com. We have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. Link in the description below. That was the video guys for today. If you enjoyed this type of content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.